welcome to the outside shop tour. And here is where I've got all my tools out on the driveway of the RV drive behind my gate, but it also shows how everything on wheels is out of the shop and gets a spot right outside where I can work on it. So this being a wood miter station, but I use it for cutting in tabletop and anything. Basically I have a lot of welding stuff on it right now, and you know, I use a little cart to haul the heavy stuff in and out. This is the mobile shop station, which is basically a bandsaw and a drill press, and later on there'll be a sander platform here. I haven't put that together yet, but I'm getting there. And then obviously got the 20-ton shop press, which basically does a good job of bending angle iron to make brackets and any other kind of pressing that we need to do here, you know. And then obviously the center of the show is the welding table. And right now I'm working on a project, the Fab Wings, which is the extension of this welding table. It adds 12 inches to either side or any side. And there are two of them, so there's the other one I gotta weld up. But this is almost exactly how I have envisioned it and how I wanted to work it. All of this can be wheeled back into the shop in about 5 or 10 minutes. Last night I got caught in the rain and I had to hurry up and shovel it all back in here, and bang, it was closed and good. So anyway, this is exactly what I wanted out here. Plenty of space to get around, but I needed obviously to be able to wheel this stuff around so I could, you know, use it where I needed it and get it out of the sun or put it into the shade or whatever I wanted to do. All right, thanks for checking this out.